In this video, we're diving into how to use AI inside form builders for smart suggestions, something that can seriously streamline your workflow and help create better user experiences. If you've ever wondered how to integrate smart AI-powered suggestions into your forms, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. AI can be a game changer when it comes to forms, whether you're building surveys, contact forms, or feedback forms. Instead of manually curating options or guessing what users might need, AI can predict and suggest the best options for them, saving you time and improving accuracy. So let's jump into it. First, to get started, you'll need to choose a form builder that supports AI-powered suggestions. This software we'll be using in this tutorial is one of the best tools I've tested for this purpose. I'll tell you more about how to get access to a free trial exclusive to my channel later on, but let's focus on the steps for now. Once you're inside your form builder, the first step is to enable AI suggestions. Most modern form builders with AI integrations offer this as an easy toggle or option in the settings. You'll need to find the section labeled something like Smart Suggestions or AI-powered fields in your form builder's settings. After enabling the feature, you'll notice the AI starts offering suggestions as you fill in the form fields. For instance, if you're asking for a user's location, the AI might suggest popular cities based on the user's country or region. Or, if you're asking for feedback on a product, it might suggest predefined options or even specific questions based on previous data. Here's the part where it gets even smarter. AI can also adapt the suggestions as the user starts typing, which means if they mention a specific type of service or need, the AI can refine the suggestions to match exactly what they're looking for. So instead of generic drop-down lists, you're offering personalized, relevant options. And this isn't just about improving the user experience. AI can also help gather more accurate data. For example, if you're using a form to collect contact details, the AI might help identify when a phone number is incorrectly formatted or suggest a more accurate address format. This means less work for your users and cleaner data for you. The best part is how these AI suggestions actually save you time. Instead of going back and forth to refine form fields or asking users for more details, the AI adjusts in real time, meaning your forms get smarter as more people use them. This can drastically cut down on abandonment rates and improve your form completion. If you're ready to try this out, remember that you can get an exclusive free trial to follow along with the software we've been using. Just check the description below for the link. It's a great way to see how AI can elevate your form building process without any upfront commitment. Now, the key takeaway here is that AI inside form builders for smart suggestions can help you not only enhance your forms, but also improve data accuracy, save time, and make the user experience smoother. By using this technology, you're not just building a form, you're creating an intelligent system that adapts to your users and their needs. To recap: 1. Enable AI suggestions in your form builder. 2. Let AI offer smart, personalized suggestions as users interact with your forms. 3. Benefit from cleaner data, reduced abandonment rates, and faster form completion. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial from the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.